Look, if you had one shot,
Here we are again in the shed.
one opportunity, everything you ever
More
wanted,
turbo issues. Still not running right. So got another one, second-handy, that seemed to be all good. Put it all together, cleaned everything up. Turns out it's actually a 2860 instead of a 2560, so unintentional bump up, but still work for what I want. But yeah, after running it for a bit, it's noisy as, which is not a normal noise, and then also when you actually go to run it, it makes a squealing noise, which is not really what you want either. So, I'm not sure what's going on either. It must be the bearings have shat themselves. Oil feed's fine, dripping oil everywhere, as it should. Yeah, just a dud. So, help me out, Turbo by Garrett. Gonna have to look into, probably end up just buying a brand spanking new one. I shouldn't have any more issues. Instead of mucking around with second handies that just last a little while and then go poof. Yeah, not ideal. Okay. So this is what I'm contending with. A bit ridiculous now. Take the turbo off in less than like 15 minutes. Not normal.
There are already beginning to be effects of 1 or 2 degrees warming, and if we get 5 or 10 degrees warming several decades downstream, there will be huge effects.
The overwhelming majority of scientists, this is not a debate. The scientific consensus is absolutely clear, not debated.
Of 1 or 2 degrees warming, and if we get 5 or 10 degrees warming several decades downstream, there will be huge effects.
Pull it apart further. So this is the aftermath of trying to build a turbo out of rubbish, basically. Put it all together. Took the old one apart. It was, of course, shot. Bearing cartridge. See here the end of it, that's the exhaust side, that's all been heated up. The bearings fell out. These called container things for the bearings wasn't actually broken. Last time it was pretty goodly broken. But yeah, all the bearings, ball bearings fall out. So what I've gone and done is use the best cartridge I had, and then use the front bearings that I had still from one of the other ones that the last time that wasn't broken. So basically mix matched and made up good a functioning turbo that